This video will guide you on how to create breakout groups in your online class in Blackboard Collaborate. Once you are in the Blackboard Collaborate online class, click on the right purple panel, go to the Share Content folder, click on Breakout Groups. The system allows you to create custom groups, randomly assigned groups, or you can have a group set in the course. You can allow attendees to switch groups, and in order to create new group, you can add the plus sign. You can rename the group, or you can delete the group using this delete icon. Click on Start. You can pause or end the groups. In order to enter to a particular group, you can join the group. You can move between the groups. And you can pause or end groups. Thanks for watching.